Good evening, everybody. It's lovely to see you all here tonight for tonight's concert. Before we go into the next set, I would like to introduce the birds to you. Messiaen, as you can read in the program notes, went out into the countryside and he wrote down what he heard. And in this piece in particular, we have particular kinds of birds. We have a short-toed lark, which is the main actor in this piece, and you'll hear that bird's song more than any other song. There's also a couple of other characters. First of all, there's the character of the landscape itself, and Messiaen describes this landscape as very hot and lonely, and it goes like this. That will come back and back again, like the backdrop to a painting. Now there's some other birds as well. There are some cicadas that come and make some noise. There's louder birds. There's the kestrel. And there's also quieter birds. There's the quail. And then at the very end, there's a very excited lark. So I hope you enjoy it.